You cannot gang up on one person in the classroom. So if one person calls to
Sad Mumei sound.
strike
I'm
swap
sorry for giving you
Mumei.
PTSD, Mumei. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, look at these
I mean, yes, ma'am.
beautiful paintings. Oh, I see your tears behind you,
It was very charming.
Are you gonna keep those with your answer too?
Yeah. You have 25 seconds. What is the longest river in the world?
I hate second guessing myself. Dang it!
Oh, 10 seconds.
I don't know anymore. I give up. I hate. Dang it!
Damn, Mumei's breaking down.
Oh boy. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay. You have 20 seconds to give your peanut a new name. Peanut.
I hate my brain. I hate my brain.
I gotta adjust this rule though, because I probably should be like, if they get it right, then
Teacher, don't make me cry in front of the class. Teacher.
not today, unfortunately.
Okay. I'm scared.
I want
I'm
to
gonna
listen.
cry.
gonna-
Okay.
We're gonna give Mumei her
Don't cry.
her comprehension test. Are you ready?
No, I'm gonna cry.
Please read it out loud through the
Cry.
tears. Okay.
Okay.
Good job, by the way, Mumei.
Good job.
Alright.
We're pretty
I don't
good.
have any left. I'm good.
All good?
Pretty good, yeah.
Let's go ahead and see with this one. Are you ready? 60 seconds.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Oh. Anime in the classroom?
Is
Who could have
anime
ever known
helping?
that anime could be educational?
Why do I want to cry?
Because you're almost a winner. Takes
No.
tears to be a winner.
Uh,
Health question!
okay.
Are we ready?
Can I draw a sad face real quick?
Sure. Does that mean you got it wrong?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh. Feet is the correct answer. Let's
I give
see. Let's have a look. The answer I was looking for is